What happens to your body when you eat 2 cloves every day? Chewing 2 cloves daily and drinking cloves water can have several potential health benefits. Watch complete video to know remarkable benefits of cloves for your health, ranging from antioxidant-rich properties to digestive aids and beyond. Discover how a humble spice can be a game-changer in your quest for a healthier, happier life. Before we start, please like, share and subscribe for more health and wellness videos. Benefit number 1. Digestive aid. Cloves have been used traditionally to alleviate digestive issues. Research indicates that they may stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, promoting better digestion and reducing symptoms of indigestion. Number 2. Oral health. Cloves have natural antiseptic and analgesic properties, making them effective for oral health. Studies have shown that clove extracts can help combat bacteria responsible for dental problems, including cavities and gum disease. Number 3. Pain relief. Cloves have been used topically to relieve pain and inflammation, and some studies support their effectiveness in reducing pain when applied as an essential oil or in cream form. If you have pain in your body, start consuming cloves, you will have pain relief. Number 4. Antioxidants. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, particularly phenolic compounds like eugenol. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that cloves possess strong free radical scavenging abilities, contributing to their overall health benefits. Number 5. Antimicrobial properties. Cloves exhibit antimicrobial properties, which can help fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes them a potential ally in combating infections and promoting overall immune health. How to make cloves water. Ingredients: 2 to 3 whole cloves, you can adjust the quantity to suit your taste. 1 cup of water. Optional: honey, lemon, or cinnamon for added flavor, adjust to taste. Here is guideline how you can make cloves water. Pause the video and you can understand it easily. Remember that moderation is key when consuming cloves or cloves water. While it can have potential health benefits, excessive consumption may lead to side effects. It's also advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating cloves water into your daily routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. That's all for today. Stay healthy.